Howdy guys, in today's video we'll be looking at how to add a report logo for your print job sample. And this will be for FabriCAM. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the program here. Now, we've just previously looked at ways we can convert our logo into a bitmap. So if you're running a JPEG, a PNG, SVG or something on that line, you can convert it to a bitmap with those methods. Now, it is important that we do that the file is a bitmap, seeing that this program can only read bitmaps for the actual logo. So I'm just going to quickly open our previous file just so that we have something to work with and then set it up. Now, what we want to do next is we want to go to either config over here on our primary toolbar, or basically it's a form of toolbar, or on our main menu here to configuration. So I'm just going to click this big a gear button, go to reports from our tabs. So this is the third last tab, as we can see, it's called report. And then under report, we've got your path logo. And I'm going to click this little icon here with the three little dots. Now, once we've clicked that, we want to navigate to the right location, which in my case, it will be the AM logo. Now, as you can see here, there's our bitmap with a BMP format that I've saved it as. Then you want to select that, click open, and then at the bottom here we click apply and then OK. Now if we had to go to print, just wait for this to load. I'm just going to leave all of this blank. This here obviously will fill in your details for clients and so forth, which we've already covered. And once it is started, if we go to the bottom here, we can see there is our logo. So now when we print it, we'll have an actual logo and client details and so forth. But yeah, otherwise that is it on adding a logo to your actual print job. It's rather simple. Just a quick recap again. You go to configuration, then you go to report, which is the third tab, and then the path logo. You go select that, apply, OK, and then you should have your logo ready. But yeah, otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.